In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add a payment method in Beacons AI so you can start receiving payments from your customers, followers, and clients, whether you're selling digital products, offering coaching services, accepting tips, or running an online business through Beacons AI. Connecting a payment provider is an essential step. The good news is that the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your payment method connected and your Beacons account ready to accept payments. Make sure to check the link in the video description below to access Beacons AI and follow along step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Beacons AI website, click on the login button, and sign in using your email address, Google account, TikTok account, or any other method linked to your Beacons profile. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Beacons dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the settings option in the menu, click on settings to open your account preferences and configuration options. Inside the settings page, find and click on payments. This section allows you to connect payment providers and manage how you receive money from customers. You'll see an option that says set up Stripe account. Click on it. If you already have a Stripe account, simply sign in. If you don't have one yet, click create account and follow the registration process. Stripe is the recommended payment provider because it supports credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Before selling products or services, create a test product and visit the checkout page. Make sure customers can see the available payment methods and that everything is working correctly, and that's it. You've successfully added a payment method in Beacons AI, and your account is now ready to receive payments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.